Happy New Year from It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Happy day 1 of 2023. 2022 made us strong. 2023 is full of courage and hope. I hope this in 2023 everyone finds healing, happiness, passion, and love. Keep going. If you need healing, I hope you find it. 2023 will be the year of healing for all of us. If you think your old self lasts years, suffer enough, and don't feel the happiness you are craving, this will be the sign that 2023 is to harvest all the happiness you deserve more than you think. Don't let the past ruin it. If you think you don't know what you are passionate about, I hope your passion will be unleashed as your potential for success this 2023. If you think you are not good enough, I hope this in 2023, you learn, value, and appreciate your self-worth. Let's learn to love ourselves and stop minding what others' opinion is. At the end of the day, it all doesn't matter because you know more than they know your value. If last year is the worst year, let us begin this year as the best one you ever imagine. A year full of love, passion, healing, happiness, and success that you are craving for the past years. This is the year that all your effort will be paid off as you never give up. Just keep going. We are rooting for your successful life ahead. You don't need to compete with others, but you need to be competitive with your old self. All you need to do is focus to be better you in 2023. Thank you for supporting. It's All About tutorial by Neneng.